Hey guys, it's Yvette and I have my cat lady box. I hope that was okay. Did that work out? Okay. So I have the cat lady box. I was gonna cut the tape open, but it's already open. Like the tape didn't catch or somebody uncatched it or I don't know what happened. Anyways, I'm ready to open it. Jelly Bean. Are you gonna come over? He might come over. I'm gonna try to like push the catnip smell over to him. So let's get it open and see what's inside. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I'm serious. I am not even kidding. Look at this. Is that not adorable? I'm trying to like turn it so that there's no glare. There's glare everywhere. The featured cat lady artist this month is Celeste Gagnon Small. Celeste Gagnon Small. I'm probably saying something wrong. I mean, there's got to be something I'm saying wrong. This particular print is called Fall Echo. Celeste is a freelance illustrator that focuses on children's books, educational materials, and all things animals and nature. Echo, the cat, is a character based off her late cat who will always hold a special place in her heart. You can see more of her work at www.celestegagnon.wordpress.com or facebook.com/Celeste Gagnon Illustrations. I'm going to obviously have to like type that in the description box down below so that you can see everything spelled correctly. Okay, and our theme for September is cozy cats. I like cozy. Cozy is one of my favorite words. I'm not even kidding. Okay, so let's see what's in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, right on top. It looks like a little basket, and I'm excited. I love little baskets, and I love this. Oh, and it looks like it's got kitty whiskers on it. Jelly Bean, you coming over, buddy? Oh, and it's really stiff, so that once you pop it out, it's going to stay that way. I mean, obviously it needs a little bit of help because the poor thing's been in a box for I don't know how long, but we will get that taken care of. You guys, look how cute. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. I don't know if anybody else is gonna. Oh my goodness, like I could use a few of these. Now I'm gonna have to go and see if they have any extras for sale. And I better go and get it before y'all do. Oh my gosh, oh my goodness. Have you guys been watching me open this box for like 4.5 years? Have you? Listen, there's been a couple of flops. I'm going to be the first one to say, but honestly, like so few and far between, it's not even funny. I don't know how they do this. How do they do this? Dorian is like amazeballs. Okay, okay, Jelly Bean was sitting on the Sweetwater box. I just opened a Sweetwater box. Jelly Bean, do you want a toy? Look. Oh, he's a little squirrel. Jelly Bean. Can you believe he left? He left. Okay, we're going to hold up. You didn't see that yet, did you? Maybe he'll come back. I don't know what he's doing. Jelly Bean, I have the cat lady box, buddy. Y'all, this is crazy. Okay, here's the shirt. We have a t-shirt. Oh my goodness. I love it. Okay, so look, I'm not like 100% on the color of this shirt. I know it's fall, but I am not into fall colors. But look how cute. I'll totally wear it. I mean, I'm going to wear it. Don't get me wrong. Because that is just adorable. OMG. That is adorable. I love it. Okay. Can't wait to get it washed so that I can wear it. Okay. Then we're trying to wait on the couple of things for the kids and somebody will come. Okay, somebody has to come. Smudgy, Sammy, Jelly Bean, Spooky Scout. Spooky Scout don't come for nothing. He's crazy. Okay. So then we have, oh wait, hold up. What's this? Oh, right. Okay, so October is the annual Black Cats box. Very excited. Y'all, best box of the year. Hands down, best box of the year. This is where I get all my ears. So when I go to Quilt Market, I wear my ears. I have different pairs for every day. No joke. Okay, and then what is this? Okay, so now we have something with a big cat lady thing on it. Oh, it says that it's pillowcases. Oh my goodness. And it's a good sized pillowcase too. Look how cute. Are the kitty cats upside down? Hold up. Oh my goodness, look how adorable. That is super cute. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I don't think Jelly Bean's coming back. This is turning out to be like the craziest video for the Cat Lady box ever. Because it's a Cat Lady box with no cats. Which is just not right. Jelly Bean! I'm trying to get him here for y'all. I don't know why he left. He probably thought the dad was giving him snacks. That boy is led by his belly. I ain't kidding. So you know he's my cat. JB! I'm so sorry, guys. I can't have a 40-minute long video waiting for the cats to come over. So I'm saving the best for last because I may have to go and see if there's more. It's so adorable. Who do I buy this box for? I mean, don't get me wrong. Most of it inside is meant for me. But I love their stuff too. Here is a little catnip leaf in lovely fall colors and gold thread. So I'm gonna cut the tag off. Smudgy and Spooky Scout are having a rumble downstairs. Yep. All right, so who's that? Somebody came up. Who's that? Jelly Bean! Come see, buddy. Come on. Come on, look. And there's something super cute in here. Come here. Look. Come on. It's okay. Just, I'm going to be prepared for the claws this time. Come on. Come on, buddy. Just, okay, maybe you won't see him. I have no idea, but he's standing right there. I promise. Here's the leaf. I'm going to put that to the side for the moment. And y'all, are y'all ready? I hope y'all didn't really see it earlier because he's adorable. This is like, oh my goodness. These are like my favorite things when they do this. You ready? Come on out, buddy. Come on. Look how cute. He's a little squirrel. Look at his little mouth. Jelly Bean, look. Oh my goodness, what is it? He's a little squirrel. Yes, he's a little squirrel. He's gonna crawl on top of Jelly Bean. I'm gonna ride his back. I'm gonna go for a little ride. Hold on, let me cut off the tag. I'm gonna cut off the tag, and then y'all can play with it. At least you got to see Jelly Bean, even if it is just his back. Okay, look it. Come over here. Bring your face over here. Wait, you're too far away. Nobody will be able to see your face. Come over here. Look. Buddy is behind you. Look. 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 Jelly Bean. We got the ear. I'm gonna put him on his back. Oh, he's he's going to sleep now. I'm a little flying squirrel. I'm a little flying squirrel. Okay, y'all gonna think I'm crazy. I might be. Okay, so do you like him? Yeah, he's cute. Oh. Can you smell him? He smells like catnip. He's like, hello, 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 hello. Are you gonna look over here? Gonna look this way? Are you gonna look this way? Y'all got him. Look, buddy. Look, buddy. All right, we're gonna stop the video. Don't forget Black Cat's box for October, and I'm telling you, it's always the best box of the year, so go on and get it. I have been having a discount code down in my description box that apparently doesn't work. I thought it was an ongoing code. I'm thinking maybe it was a brief time only code, so I'm gonna take it out. I'm really sorry. I wish that they had another one, and if hopefully if Dorian sees this and there is another one, she can kind of let me know what it is so I could share it with you guys. But I know that the October box is going to be awesome. Favorite box of the month, of the year, sorry. Favorite box of the year for moi. So we're gonna go, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Thanks so much for watching us.